For people who like other people's misery, well, you'll be satisfied with this one. You see this? Is that clearer? And on that side of the wall outside, it's delaminated. So delaminated outside, this sponge inside. If you're really committed to buy stuff and say, all right, no, I want to buy this. It sucks, but no, I want it because it's cheap.
We're in Jacksonville, Florida this morning, and we're here to inspect this 2005 Minnie Winnie. Now, how many of you dreamed that your parents would get an RV so that you could sleep right there over the cab while they were driving? Was that your dream? Stick around, because we're fulfilling someone's dream today.
All right, been here for about an hour and a half. I already went on the roof because I knew what I was looking for. People are working here, we got our tools. Wall was inside but me. And as we reference a lot, from her to me, from her inside, me outside, there's some model that we kind of know what's going on. We know what to expect. And the front end of this one this is Miss Vanna. So I want you, so grab this, honey. I'm going to try to take the light. So here we are in the front, which the minute I pulled in, it's a habit because we know the models, we've inspected some of the models, so some of them, I know exactly what I'm looking at, where I'm looking for, where is the culprit, because there's a weakness in those. 2005, just walking in, I saw underneath the cover, this is over the driving range, instead of having the bed, it's just covered. So in here, as you can see, I mean, yeah, there's been shelves and stuff in there. Well, nothing special until, that's why I'm going to try to see if I can show people. All right, so you already see, like here, there's kind of wood. I don't know if you see this. But see, this is all sponge. You see this? Is that clearer? And on that side of the wall outside, it's delaminated. So delaminated outside, this sponge inside. For people who like other people's misery, well, you'll be satisfied with this one because that is a big damage. That is the front end. If you're really committed to buy stuff and say, all right, no, I want to buy this. It sucks, but no, I want it because it's cheap. Well, I don't know how much you want to get into this, but I'm going to have to call my customerette, which we were planning with her to have her here later this afternoon. And it's that dilemma where I hate, this is the feeling I get when I find stuff like this. It's like, okay, now I'm going to make somebody sad, unhappy, but let's find another one. My point about this, and that's why Laura is saying, should we call her now? I says, oh, I checked other places because I already went on the roof to see where it can come up from. But we got the same problem here on the upper cabinet because I know the sealant up there is gone. And see, if I made you touch this, this is hard. And when I go here, this is soft. So this is soft because this is exactly where, oh, I'm not going to have much reading. Won't be 30, yeah, so it's not too bad. It says that it's getting wet, you know, but up here, see it, okay, so let's say here it's 35 also, it's the same thing. But physically, when I touch it, this feels harder, and when I end up here, I can feel that there's humidity in the Luan that they're using. Those insulation and those were wood frames. So today we've got we got different material that will not rot as quickly. That's the advantage. These particulate board, the minute it gets humidity, it sucks it in. And that is the problem I'm having here. That is the whole front end on this side. And I can't go on this side, but I'll put money down if I went on this side that I would have the same problem. Here it looks solid, but to the same level here, I can see from underneath the rotten juice coming out from underneath the trip. So people who like to see other people's bad luck, well, that's what it is. Now Laurel is also talking to me about something she found underneath the sink. It's the same thing. There's been leak. So who knows where the floor is at? So now I'm at the point where I'm debating. It's okay, do we call her, or what do we do, honey?
We call her.
So my boss is telling me we call her. So, and from there she'll decide, like it happened before. Some people tell me do the report anyway. And I hope she's not that frustrated. I just hope that she's happy. But that's where I feel bad, because
she lives close enough.
She lives about half an hour from here. So yeah, all right. So we'll tell her to hop in and show her this. And if she says, well, nope, I'm buying it anyway, well, we'll see. So I gotta hush hush, because there's little workers here and they try to know what's going on and how it's going on, and they're gonna go tell it to the, you know how it is. So this is live. This is what we do. And again, I just feel bad that it has to happen to this woman that we haven't met, but we had a good conversation. We got a good contact. She seems like a nice person. Even the salesman, who's a great guy here, and she's a smart cookie. She knew she needed an inspection. Even if this was an affordable unit for her, I'm going to go full time in this pier. So I kind of think that I need, you kind of think, wow, no, she's a teacher. Try to be as smart as she is, and try to understand why. That's what we're showing you. This is why we're doing this, not the fine stuff. I like just to do a list. Even the salesman who's here, good guy, he told me, yeah, get us your list and we'll go right through it. So that way she'll be happy, we'll be happy. Thank you, Neil. You're a good freaking salesman to want to take care of his customer. This is not his fault, people. That's not your salesman's fault. He didn't know. I find this. That's the hard part about dealers and places, and people you're dealing with. Private owners, they can hide stuff to you. You're on your own, you loved it, you're screwed. Here, well, you got a second chance, meaning they have it here, they can fix it. Your private owner's not gonna be able to fix it. We'll just find the issues and say, here's your list that you're gonna address. Here, I don't know how they're gonna address this. They're gonna sell this to you, the person that's watching, that is not hiring an inspector. You're gonna end up with this rig. See you, there's delamination already on this unit. So whatever you're paying, that's it. You're not gonna resell this anytime soon. And by the way, this was told to us that this is a consignment unit. So this guy bought it here, gives it under consignment. So if they sell it, he's making a commission, they're making a commission. I can't give you the VIN number, that'd be unfair. Don't buy this unit. There's other ones out there, that's the point. But I don't know, by the time this video is out anyway, she will have made her decision if she bought it. I'm sorry, you shouldn't have. There's other unit out there, and there's a lot of people getting out of RV right now. You got a great opportunity to find a good used one, 6 months old, a year old, 2 years old. Call us, we'll make you feel good. Hopefully she'll feel good at a certain degree, which I hope we'll be able to help her out again, and we'll figure out something on another unit. But all right, so here we go. Hopefully we're gonna go do the dreaded call. Let's go call her now. So before anybody come, I'm gonna show you a little something. That's why coming in here today, I kind of have a clue. Those fiberglass cone nose move a lot on those cabs. So the first thing that caught my eye, I knew because I'm looking for it, is this. So this brown crap that's all over, so this should have been sealed. This is residual wood that's coming from the inside of this. See, this is all delaminated. So there's water everywhere here, everywhere. Beautiful, looks good. Guys, I can probably squeeze water out of this. So this comes here. The minute you have this brown goo stuff, this is Luan. This is the wood that is disintegrating and just leaking through. So I just needed to show you this before we call our customer rep. So that's a tip that you can look when you look at a unit. If you see some of that residual, red flag right there. So just check into that. But I had to show this. This is the big problem. So however it started from the top, I don't know. Yeah, see, even here, you can see it. I know. Oh, even here, I can feel the softness that I had inside. So all of this is delaminated. The value you're paying into this, as you know, is now, okay? This, I'd hate to take, oh, look, you see the water coming out of there? The water's coming out of there. So, yeah, that could be due. Yeah, sure. Comment that could be due from the morning. That is a good one. And this side, I didn't even look at it, but now, see, they've put silicone before, so, yeah. Oh, same thing. So, nah, this is, wow. Yeah, see, if I was able to go in the back of that TV, all of this goo, this wall is totally destroyed. Yep. Good old Winnebago, but it did its time, so sorry. Please don't fall into a money pit, which this one would be. But that's my opinion. I'm not entitled to my own opinion. You have to make a decision. You're on your own. Let's see what Wendy has to say. Wendy just showed up. We called her and we asked her to.
She said, I'll be there in 30 minutes. And thank goodness we did. We were able to show her exactly what was going on with the front cap.
So physically, she was able to touch it just like we do. And she said she was here a couple of days ago, and that's what she was saying. She says, we couldn't see that.
It was raining
outside.
But now it's not raining, and the drips are there. It's dripping on the outside.
Oh yeah, I don't know if you can see it. It's actually right here.
Let's see. Right here. Okay. Yep. So right there, if you watch,
it's going to
drip. Yep. There's the drip right there.
Yep.
Right.
So that's what blew her.
There.
Her deal with this one. So now she's going to, she went inside. She's going to talk with the salesman, and she's going to try to find something else, which is, I think, the smart idea. And
because she's going to live in this full time.
That too.
She works in here. She's in it all the time.
So that was a shorter day. It's about 1:30. We're done. Hopefully we helped. I know she sees it. We understand too. We did our job. I just feel, again, I feel bad that
it's disappointing.
You thought the process was done, like she said, you know, that you're finally done, you found something, you're buying it, it's over. You don't need to search for another unit, you know what I mean? So that was kind of cool, I thought. But so that's it. So what's the last comment you want to leave people on?
So remember, and do never forget, it's not about the destination.
It's all about the journey.